Okay, so I'm done. हमारा लाइव हो गया है. It was so nice. It was so beautiful. बड़ी आराम से हो गया. मैं तो ऐसी डर रही थी फालतू में. But like she made it so comfortable for me to talk.
You were amazing yourself. She was so good.
No, like it was like a really nice live. बाकी क्या कहते हैं अभी हम देख रहे हैं. It's like rainy outside. What is this building so tall? You know you don't get to see these in Chandigarh, so I'm like wow.
तो मैं आज आपको
But
और भी
anyway.
अच्छी जगह ले जाती हूँ but तो
I think हाँ बारिश हो. Now Ruchi is taking me.
to a place
To a
which I've
place.
shown to world.
Yeah, पूरी दुनिया को दिखा चुके हैं ये. So we are going to this mall. कौन सा mall है ये?
It's just World Mark which is
World
in
Mark,
Gurgaon. It's
okay.
recently. I mean not
Open.
recent now. एक time पे recent था.
Hmm.
But I'll check with Riya how she likes the place.
Done.
She wanted to go to some mall because it's बारिश भी हो रही है.
Yeah.
So Riya, you'll rate my choice.
Done.
How do you like
देखते
the
हैं.
place?
Yeah, let's see. So we are here. This is such a pretty place. I absolutely love it. हाँ मतलब I think पहले मैं so nice. Hi! Oh my God! He, she. Oh my God! Hi! Hello! Alright, so I am like staying at my teacher's place. So I'm just here in the room. I just changed. अभी हम थोड़ी देर बैठ के we'll just chill for a while and then I'm just literally gonna go off to sleep because I'm so tired right now. It was a great day. It took me 2 hours from Gurgaon. No, 1 hour actually from Gurgaon to here, Kalkaji. So that was nice. It was a good drive रात को. But I prefer not going रात को, especially Delhi में, because it kind of felt eerie. But it was nice though, and abhi we're just gonna order for dinner, then probably play a game or something, and then I'll doze off. Hi guys, it's 10 a.m. right now and I woke up so late today because we slept late, we were playing games. I think I'm just gonna get ready now and have breakfast and literally leave for Chandigarh because काफ़ी late हो गई मैं. And look at my morning view. This is Bambi. Hi you guys, so I finally left Delhi and I am heading towards Chandigarh. I just want to say मेरे को already half an hour हो चुका है that I've been driving and मेरा मन ही नहीं कर रहा था like you know to turn on my camera and like kind of record because it just feels so good right now to drive in this weather. Yeah, like I was saying, I just didn't want to record and right now I feel so ecstatic. What's that word called? Ecstatic. I feel so ecstatic. I don't know how to like. I always fumble for some reason, but I feel so good right now. तो मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि बस मैं ऐसे ही चलती रहूँ. And right now my speed is also like 70, and it's literally like a khali highway. I'm on the NH11. Yeah, like I have ample time, so I feel I could talk a bit about myself. I think the biggest thing that I feel like right now I could talk to you guys about is that why I started content creation. Honestly मुझे कभी पता नहीं था, so I'm just gonna give you like a recap of my life. So I was a tomboy earlier and मतलब 10th तक तो I was like fully in my tomboy era. I just did not want to dress up. I just wanted to play sports. I didn't want to study and all of that. But as I crossed 10th, +1, +2 was a little more feminine. I was exploring. I was like, you know, dressing up like girls. My mom used to really push me ki, you know, I used to wear like shorts and t-shirts, like my brother's shorts and t-shirts and all of that, or loose t-shirts and, you know, loose shorts. My mom always pushed me. She's like, wear something that's feminine for God's sake. She would tell my friends ki yaar isko thoda pinao, isko thoda, you know, like just kind of dress her up and all of that. But so that happened and I had a good group of friends, so they, you know, under their influence, and also like I started having this taste of fashion, so that's how I started. and then उसके बाद slowly gradually I started modeling, and then after modeling I got to know a lot about content creation. मैं उसके बाद was associated with brands. Through modeling I got to know so many people, so many events I got invited to, and उस time पे ना इतना culture था नहीं चंडीगढ़ में कि honestly आप wasn't flooded with creators. There were hardly like 2 or 3 creators and I was one of them. Like not 2 or 3, I think 4-5 of them by that time that I joined. So that was it. तो जब मैंने वो join किया, like when I started doing modeling, तो उसके बीच में ही I started doing content creation. And then when I started like doing content creation, I also wanted to like design. So that's how I went into fashion designing, because now I know about fashion but I want to design the clothes. And उसके बाद मैंने fashion designing करी. फिर fashion designing के लिए सबसे पहले I went to INIFD. फिर मैंने वहाँ से करी, and then I went to Bombay for luxury brand management for 1 year. That was a great course. Like I had such great exposure, met so many people, and also there I started interning with Pernia's pop-up shop. That is where I got such a vast practical knowledge of how the fashion industry works, because working in Pernia's made me talk, like move out of my comfort zone, because I'm like an introvert. And उस time पे मुझे ऐसे लगा कि मुझे बात करनी ही पड़ेगी, because obviously that's my job. So I was working with them as a merchandiser, fashion merchandiser. So as a merchandiser, that's how I planned to start my own clothing label, but in COVID. तो जैसे ही मेरी luxury brand management खत्म हो रही थी, like I was almost in March 2020. That is when 2020 March 2020. That is when COVID hit, and then उसके बाद obviously we had to come back. So COVID पूरा time तो I was like work, and it's also a result of a business project that my college gave me. Like we were supposed to make a project, or like you can call it as a dissertation, like that project that you create at the end of your whole when your course gets over, just for teachers to see how far you've come. So I made that, and that aligned, and that's how I started like my label. But content creation हमेशा चल रही थी. But like when I started Sister Snatch, तो उस time पे मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि like even till right now, the only thing I feel like I'm struggling is with that I am able to balance, but still I feel like my this thing is scattered into both. And right now, since we also manufacture Sister Snatch, तो उसमें ना बहुत ज़्यादा energy लग रही है मेरी, like operations, manufacturing, all of that. Like कईयों का होता है ना जैसे ready product and then you resell it, something like that. I think that is much more my vibe, because I'm creative. Like I can create a product and I can sell that. But these management and operation things is just draining me, and that's something that's not my forte. That is what I feel. Yeah, like I'm right now in that phase where I'm just contemplating everything. Like I think I'm in that phase of life where I'm actually contemplating what I want to do, what exactly what my path is. Even like in terms of like spiritually, I'm just really thinking, who am I? Like I'm genuinely trying to bring out the real me. And I feel like itne time se obviously like so much went into my life. I got married, then now I'm separating, so that also like played a major part of like ups and downs in my life, because of course emotional growth is so important. But yeah, like over and out, this is currently where I'm at. I'm just like trying to come out of, I feel like I'm just peeling off a layer of myself that I thought I was when I got married, when I opened Sister Snatched, and when like all of these things. And I feel like so many things that just did not align with me at all. So kind of letting it go is, I think, my main goal for at least this year. Like letting go of things that don't serve me. You can only become a better person, also not just by becoming a better person and opting for good things, but also when you need, like also when you figure out that okay, this is not the right thing for me, and this just like not working out for me. So letting that go and not holding on for too long is something that I am like really teaching myself. So yeah, this is exactly why I love being in silent places. This is exactly why I love being in spaces that make me feel calm. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much about me. I think we went like खैर like ऐसे चलेगी हमारी conversation, but जो भी है, it was, oh my god, there's a makhi in my car. I think, yeah, to sum it up, that's part of my journey 2026. I really wanna just let go and kind of move on and tune into better things for me. And yeah, that's pretty much about me. I think, yeah, that's pretty much about me, and I would just like to conclude here. Okay, but I hope you guys liked what I shared with you, and I hope you also liked my vlog. अब तो हम घर ही जाएंगे, अब तो दिखाने के लिए कुछ है नहीं, तो I'm just gonna see you later, and I really wanna enjoy my ride. I don't wanna do anything now, so I'm definitely gonna tune off my vlog. So, but anyways, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon in my next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye.